Stingrays! Today is December 1st, ladies and gentlemen. That's a Tuesday. That's a school day. That's why we're here, ladies and gentlemen. Now, big birthday shout out to Rana. Happy birthday, Rana. Today's actually Rana's birthday. We actually don't celebrate Mr. Nugent's birthday this year because that is on Saturday. I'm on the 5th. So I'll be celebrating my birthday at home without you guys. Oh, I know. So sad. So sad. Now, for today's lesson. Today's lesson is all about, boom, inequalities. Inequalities. That means it is not equal. It is unequal. Most of the time, it is unequal. It is not equal. Unequal. So, we use, instead of using an equal sign in all of our equations, because remember in that previous section, you were trying to make both sides of that statement equal. So 2 plus x equals 5. What is x? X is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5 equals 5. So both sides are equal. We're not doing that now. Now we want it to be unequal. And they're not going to be the same anymore. So we use that. We do that with 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 symbols here. Okay? Our first up, we have the right-facing Miss Pac-Man. That means less than. We have the left-facing Miss Pac-Man. That's greater than. Then we have, if you have this symbol with this underneath it, that means that it is less than or equal to. And same thing goes for this symbol with an equal sign underneath it. That means greater than or equal. I'll show you a couple of examples for each, okay? You probably already know these. These are old school. But let's say, now I'm throwing in variables, okay? X is less than 7. Actually, you know what? I'll use my number line. So x is less than 4. So that means x is everything that is less than 4, everything that is behind 4. So everything back here, including 3.99999999999, okay? Everything less than 4. Okay? And in a second, I will show you what that means to graph them. But right now, I'm just showing you examples of how to use these. Now, for that same thing, let's say I flipped the sign. X is greater than 4. That means that the alligator is now going to eat the x because the x is more than 4, and the alligator always wants more food. Okay? So x is greater than 4. Now we can keep on going. Let's use our new symbol. Let's use our equal signs. Less than or equal to. So that means that it can be anything that's less than 4, but it could also be 4. And then if we switch that again, it could be greater than or equal to 4. So that means it's everything that way and also 4. Now I'm going to show you guys how to graph it. Now, I wish I had you in class, because graphing inequalities is really an in-person type of thing. It's very difficult to do online. So what I'm going to do for your worksheets is I'm going to have you multiple choice. So which one is the correct graph? When you do your IXLs, that'll actually have spots where you can kind of write them in and graph them yourself. But let's do some examples of how to graph. Now, let's just go straight to that first example. X is less than 4. That means that x is everything behind 4, including all the negative numbers that go on in infinite. Okay? Now it's 4. If you were graphing, I would tell you that your dot goes where? Your dot goes on 4. Good. Your dot goes on 4. Are you going to open or close it? That's the big thing. That's the new information. Open and close circles. Okay? So, because the mouth is nice and open, you leave the circle open. And then you highlight, let me get a colored marker here. There we go. You highlight everything that's after it. So x is less than 4. That means it is everything this way. Okay? It means it is everything that way. But it is not 4. It's everything other than 4. Everything less than 4. It could be, like I said, 3.9999999999999. Okay? But it is not 4. If I were to do this, x is less than or equal to 4. Now, my open dot is a closed dot. Okay? Because it includes everything less than 4 and everything up to 4. Not 4.01, not 4.00001, 4. Can't go past 4. Okay, my second example. Okay, x is now greater than -2. So x is everything from -2. So your dot will go on -2. Is it an open or a closed? Well, if it's a nice big open mouth, it's a nice big open circle. These are not big open mouths. These are closed mouths. These are tiny mouths. He's not going to get a lot of food. This one's nice, big, and open. Circle's nice, big, and open. Now, x is everything greater than -2, which means greater than. So we're going to the right. We're going up. We're going to the right. So x is greater than -2. That includes everything after -2. 2.00000001, but not -2. That's why we have the closed circle, because it does not symbolize -2. Now, when I add this part, mouth is smaller, there's extra thing to fill it with, that's when it gets filled in, because now it is including everything after -2 and -2. Okay? So once again, the less than is the less than means that the variable is smaller than whatever the number is. So it is a nice open circle. Greater than, open, open. Less than or equal to, because it's equal to means it has the filled in dot. And greater than or equal to, once again, because it's equal to, means it has the closed dot. We're going to be doing some small groups. I'm hoping this is going to be mostly easy for you. I hope I explained it nicely. Probably didn't. Like I said, it's sad that I dropped my marker. It's sad that I don't have you in class, because it's much easier to show you how to graph and actually have you graph than to do it virtually. Some of the people that are in class today will be able to do it. So, oh well, should have come to school. Just kidding. Stay safe. Like, subscribe, punch that bell.